Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming Dyno's permissions and the target channel. Give Dyno Manage Server and view audit logs so it can detect events, otherwise logs won't appear. Create a dedicated text channel named something like #modlogs for clarity. Once done, make sure to set channel permissions so Dyno can send messages and embed links. You're establishing the foundation. Without correct permissions or a clear channel, subsequent configuration will fail, so check both server and channel settings before moving on. You now open the Dyno dashboard and select your server to configure logging. Navigate to Modules, then Logs, and toggle on the specific events you want: joins, leaves, bans, message edits, role changes, so Dyno knows which activities to capture. Once enabled, choose the #modlogs channel as the destination. Make sure to customize embed style, timestamps, and prefix so logs are readable and searchable. This step ties the bot's event tracking to the channel you prepared and adjusts formatting for easy scanning later. You finish by verifying that logs are being posted correctly. Trigger a few safe test events, delete a message, change a nickname, or simulate a ban to see entries appear in #modlogs. Once done, inspect any missing items by checking Dyno's role position above target roles and ensuring channel overrides don't block it. If problems persist, make sure to restart the logs module, toggle events off then on, and as a last resort remove and re-invite Dyno. This resolves most permission or webhook hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.